Alright guys, I just got to work. And my co-worker is in the car next to me acting a nut. Doing it for the vlog. You don't put your, is you blowed?
No.
But yeah, just got to work. You know how we do it.
Hey.
Man, what you gotta say for the camera, man? You over here reading a book, bro? Man, so what happened earlier? Hold on, let me clock in. I'm about to clock in now. So yeah. Oh, look at her. Came in here. Man, what she about to steal? Look at it. Stealing from Jimmy John's at its finest. Doing it for the vlog. Hey man, so you're not gonna watch me on YouTube?
No.
Well, you
Why
going?
you keep asking me?
Well, you going up on YouTube?
Don't put me on YouTube.
I'm gonna put you on YouTube. And why you walk up on me like that, bro?
Oh no, man, I'm just trying to say subscribe to that nigga Andre, man. L's up, hoes down.
Alright guys, I'm just making some deliveries right now. It's a boring, slow Sunday. Like this Sunday is so boring and slow, it's like crazy. Like I could literally go to sleep in the store. Like it's that slow, you know, but I'm just doing it for the vlog. And ting. Yep, so just making my deliveries, you know, doing it for the vlog. Alright, so I just made a delivery to this lady. She was an older, like, white lady too. She was so weird, yo. I'm backing out of her driveway right now. But she was so weird, asking me one bag of questions and stuff. Like, it was so retarded. And I was answering her questions. And then in the midst of me answering her question, she was like, okay, the air is on and the bugs might get in, so I'm gonna have to close the door now. I'm like, what the heck? Like, lady, you was asking me stuff, and I started answering it, and then it was just completely weird. But I'm on my way back to the store right now, so yeah, doing it for the vlog. So I was in there cleaning a while ago, and this lady just called like, can you make a you know, she's trying to place a delivery and stuff. And I'm like, we don't go to you. She tried to have an attitude with me and stuff. It was crazy. It was crazy. Man, what is you looking at me like that for, bro? Don't be opening the door. I got haters, man. I got haters. Hey guys. This girl right here is Daisy. She don't ever want to watch my vlogs. Hey, why you be hating on my vlogs? Why you be hating on my vlogs?
I don't even watch it.
You a hater, dog. Alright guys, I'm about to take the trash out and then I'm off. Hey man, come close the door. And I'm putting up the middle finger to my subscribers. But yeah, about to take the trash out. And ting. It's kind of heavy, so I can't vlog and take the trash out. It's so disgusting how full the trash is. Like, all these corporations, they can never, like, do it right. But yeah, doing it for the vlog. And I guess the power's out over here, because I got DT behind me over here. You see him in the back. I don't know what's going on. It is dark back there, though. It's crazy. So yeah, I'm off, walking to the car right now. People in Five Guys turning up, getting their burgers, you know. But yep, walking towards the car. It was a stressful work day. All the stores that I worked by. But yeah, it's just been a stressful work day, you know. Favorite store, the Sprint store. Hello, doing it big. I'm about to see if she closed the door yet. Hey man, why you still ain't closed the door? Alright, I'll get out of here. Alright guys, so that concluded my day. And make sure if you watch this, you know, please give my video a thumbs up, and please share my video, and please, if you're not subscribed to me already, please subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you.